Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering NECO 2020 Health Education Past Question 53. Alzheimer's disease is a good example of which disease? A. Sexually transmitted disease, B. Infectious disease, C. Degenerative disease, D. Congenital, and E. Communicable. Now, Alzheimer's disease. I'll briefly describe what Alzheimer's disease is. Now, Alzheimer's disease is a progressive disease that destroys memory and other important function. So if I have to use as a word progressive, it's progressive. That is, it gets worse in with time. It's a progressive disease. Progressive disease that destroys. It destroys memory and other important mental function and other important mental function. Now, brain cells and the cells connected to the brains are degenerate and then die. So in Alzheimer's disease, the brain cells and other cells connected to the brain degenerates. They degenerate and die, thereby leading to impairments in the mental function. That is, the impairments in the function of the brain. Now the question says Alzheimer's disease is a good example of, and like I have described, Alzheimer's disease is a degenerative disease because it causes degeneration of brain cells, thereby leading to loss of memory and important mental function. Sexually transmitted disease here, which is option A, are diseases that are transmitted through blood, that is through sexual intercourse. But Alzheimer's disease is not transmitted through this means. Alzheimer's disease likewise is not infectious, that is it is not communicable, and also it is not congenital, that is it is not through birth. But Alzheimer's disease is a degenerative disease because it leads to degeneration of the brain cells, so therefore making this option valid. So Alzheimer's disease is a good example of a degenerative disease. Degenerative disease simply means a disease that causes degeneration of a particular part of the body, and Alzheimer's disease is a degenerative disease of the brain because it causes degeneration of the brain cells, thereby leading to impaired mental function. Thank you and God bless you. And just subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.